Je t'aime, it means I love you, right? Well, yes, technically, but you have to be careful because the phrase in French is used in slightly different contexts. You can't just say je t'aime in French to just anybody you care about. The nature of your relationship with the person very much matters. So if you want to avoid any awkwardness in future, keep watching, because in this video we're going to learn 5 different ways to express your affection depending on who the person is to you. Let's start with je t'aime. Why is it that you can't use it with your friends or just anybody? Well, je t'aime is not used casually in French. It is used with people with whom you are in a long-term relationship with, so your husband or your long-term partner, and it is used also with very close family members, so you may hear a parent say je t'aime to a child or a child say je t'aime to a parent. But you would not say je t'aime to a friend. It would sound rather awkward. You would not say je t'aime if you're at the very beginning of a relationship either, like say if you're on your first or second date. You wouldn't say je t'aime because in French it would sound quite pressurizing. It is really reserved for long-term relationships. And also something that's worth bearing in mind is that in French, je t'aime is not used as parting words, unlike in English where people tend to say love ya when they leave or when they hang up the phone. In French, the equivalent to that would be most likely bisous, bisous, which means kisses, and it also expresses affection, but it's just not je t'aime. Okay, so je t'aime, long-term relationships or close family members. That's it. So let's have a look at a few examples using je t'aime. Je t'aime tellement, I love you so much. Je t'aime tellement, I love you so much. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur, I love you with all my heart. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur, I love you with all my heart. So remember, if you're early on in your relationship, if you're still dating, don't use je t'aime because you might scare a potential partner off. It's a little bit pressurizing. It can come across as intense. So a little bit later on in the video, we'll see what you can use instead. But first, let's have a look at another one you want to avoid on your first date, which is je suis amoureux de toi or je suis amoureuse de toi, depending on whether you're male or female. Amoureux for males, amoureuse if you're female. Je suis amoureux de toi or je suis amoureuse de toi means I'm in love with you. So obviously you want to avoid that at the very beginning of your relationship because just like je t'aime, it can seem a little bit intense or pressurizing, but it's a useful phrase if you have been in a relationship with someone for a while and you just want to tell them that you still have feelings for them. You can say, for example, je suis toujours amoureux de toi. Je suis toujours amoureuse de toi. I'm still in love with you. Or, je suis trop amoureux de toi. Je suis trop amoureuse de toi. I'm so in love with you. So again, only for people in a relationship. Don't say that to your friend. So let's have a look at what you can say when you're not in a relationship with someone or when you are at the beginning of your relationship. You can say je tiens à toi. Je tiens à toi. Now we can't translate this phrase word for word, but it basically means you mean a lot to me. I care about you deeply. So you can use this with just about anyone. It's very versatile. So you can use it with family members, friends, people you're in a relationship with, new relationships, just about anyone. So at least that one is safe. If in doubt, use that one. Je tiens à toi. I care about you deeply. You mean a lot to me. No pressure there. So you can just use je tiens à toi on its own. It's perfectly fine. But if you want to emphasize the fact that the person really means a lot to you, you can use the word beaucoup. Je tiens beaucoup à toi. Je tiens beaucoup à toi. You really mean a lot to me, or you mean a lot to me. Another very similar phrase you can use to express your affection for just about anyone is tu comptes beaucoup pour moi. Tu comptes beaucoup pour moi. You matter a lot to me. Very, very similar meaning, just different words. Just to let you know, if you're at the beginning of your French learning journey, I have a free 7-day course. The link is in the description. It includes everything from audio, pronunciation, grammar, anything you'd need to get you speaking from day one. Check it out. You'll find the link below. Another phrase you can use with just about anyone is je t'adore. Je t'adore, meaning I adore you, I love you, but not in a romantic way, just in a friendly way. Je t'adore. So bear in mind, even though technically it could translate to I love you, it does not have any romantic connotation. It does not mean I'm in love with you. It just means you like somebody, you really like them, but not that way, if you know what I mean. Je t'adore. I adore you. So you can use this with a partner, with friends, with family, just about anyone. So for example, you can just say je t'adore, I adore you, or on t'adore, we adore you. Now, one you want to be very careful with is je t'aime bien. Je t'aime bien. Now it does start with je t'aime, but it does not mean I love you. Adding bien after je t'aime changes it to I like you. Je t'aime bien means I like you. Now, that means you can use it with friends, right? But it means you want to be careful of the context when using it with someone you're in a relationship with, or you, especially if you're at the very beginning of your relationship, because it could also be used as a soft rejection. For example, if someone has expressed their feelings for you and you just reply je t'aime bien, it kind of means like I like you, but really just as a friend. It's the equivalent of saying I prefer you as a friend. So, but you can definitely use je t'aime bien to express affection as well, just in the right context. If you say je t'aime bien to a friend, it means I like you. Je t'aime bien to a child means I like you, you know? But it's just like if someone has expressed their romantic love towards you and you reply with je t'aime bien, it's a bit of a rejection. All right? Just bear that in mind. Here are the mistakes you want to avoid if you want to say I love you romantically. If you want to express your undying love for someone, don't say je t'aime bien, as we've just seen, because it can be a soft rejection and it's just not strong enough to mean I love you anyway. Don't say je t'adore, because same, it's not strong enough to mean I love you romantically. It's just I like you, I really like you, I adore you. But again, it's more in a friendly kind of way. And don't say je t'aime on the first or second date. Wait until things are a little bit more established. But if you're in a long-term relationship, yes, absolutely. You can definitely say je t'aime. Remember, as French people would say, on ne dit pas je t'aime à la légère. We don't say I love you lightly. Recap, here are the different phrases you can use to express affection in French. Je t'aime, I love you, romantically. Je t'aime, I love you. Je suis amoureux or je suis amoureuse de toi. I'm in love with you. Je tiens à toi. You mean a lot to me. Je t'adore. I adore you. Je t'aime bien. I like you. Just a quick reminder, if you're at the beginning of your French learning journey, you'll find my free course in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. À la prochaine. Bye.